Hello, I'm Joanne Law from Mediation Institute, and here's another Techy Tuesday quick tip for mediators and others that want to be a little bit more efficient with their digital technology. Today we're going to be talking about bookmarking frequently used websites.
Okay, so one of the things that you can definitely do is bookmark the sites that you go to a lot. So you'll see I've got here, this is what's called the bookmark toolbar. And so, for example, with Mediation Institute, I've put in some of the things that I access frequently, or websites, Eventbrite, various things. So however you want to organise your bookmarks, it's a really good way to be able to
Where
find.
did you go to get that? I've got one of my granddaughters has got these things up here, Mediation Institution.
Okay, yeah.
How
So,
did
so what you need to do is you need to go to whatever website it is that you want to bookmark, and then you click on the little star. So this case, I've already got it bookmarked, but you'll notice that there's a little star. So let me see, I'll go to something that I haven't been to before. What's a good website I could go to that I might not have bookmarked? Anyone got any
eBay.
ideas? eBay. So here's eBay. I can buy a pair of boots. So I haven't bookmarked eBay. See on Google Chrome, there's a little star and it says bookmark this tab.
Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Now I don't like what it's decided to call it because I won't understand what that is. I'm going to change the name to eBay because then I'll know it's eBay. And I could just tick done, and then the bookmark will go onto my my bookmark bar. But I want to put it into a folder. So what I'm going to do is click to create a new folder. I don't like any of those, so I'm going to make a new one. And I could call the folder eBay, but I'm going to call it shopping sites. So this is a way that you can store everything that relates to a certain type of thing. So if there's multiple websites, make a folder, and then you'll be able to put them into that folder.
when you say in that folder, say the mediation folder, if I went to that, then what do I press to get that foldery thing? Now I've forgotten that already. Oh, it's already saved.
So it's already saved, but what you can do, if you right click, I think that works on there, you should get a little menu. So click on your right button.
It was just that you said you can put things in there, and
Absolutely. So if you just on that, on that bar, you can you should get an option to add a folder. So you can make a new folder.
I don't think, no, it doesn't. It says bookmark manager, show bookmarks in bar.
Show bookmarks in,
It does, it says add a folder.
So show bookmarks in bar, you want that in, you want that clicked so that you can see your bookmarks. And then I might just share my screen so you can see. Okay, can you see my screen? Casey Cardinia Region Economic Profile? Yep. So that's just saved here. I haven't put it in a folder. So what I'm going to do is I might just I've just right clicked. I just clicked on the toolbar anywhere and just gone right click, and then I'm going to put add folder, and I want it on the bookmark bar, and Casey local.
So bookmark bar, where's that?
Bookmark bar is this bar that's right across the bottom.
No, I just put that there.
Yeah. So if you ask to put it on bookmark bar, and it only fits certain number of things, so that's why you want to start to use folders. So I just created a new one, but I can't see it. So, oh no, I've done it wrong. No, I haven't done it wrong. It's just that there doesn't fit on there. So what I can do is I can go there, Casey Local, and I can click on it and hold it down, and then I can drag it where I want it. So now I've moved it from over there and I've put it there. And now I want to get this economic profile for my local council, and I want to drag it in there. So you basically can just click on it, hold down your left mouse, and then drag it where you want it. And I've now created another folder, and then I drag this into it. So that's what you can do. You right click onto the bar anywhere along that thing, and you right click, and then you can add a folder.
Yep.
And you name it however you want to name it. And then you get the thing. So this training one, that's really a Mediation Institute thing. So what I've done is I've left clicked, so it's gone a bit grey. And then I'm just going to drag it over here, and I want to put it into the MI folder. And I've done that. So now it's over here. And I don't like the order that they're in. Oh, okay. I'm going to just click on it again. I'm going to drag it, and I moved it up. Now it's up there.
Wow.
And then I might say, oh, gee, this is still a bit messy. So I can add another folder, and then I can put it inside. So I've got MI highlighted, so I can put it in there, training related. And now inside my MI folder, I've got another folder, and I'm going to put this thing up in there. So you could have a great deal of fun filing everything, Judith.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, and so now I've got little folder. I could have my training related things, and then I could have so social media. I can have those directories. So I've got the national accreditation. Oh, MNAS. That's not right. I've gone and put it wrong. I need to change that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to edit that. Instead of saying NNAS, National Mediator National Accreditation System, I'm going to put it MNAS, National Mediator Accreditation System directory. So I've fixed that now because that was dreadful.
Well,
so all I did was edit it, is click on it, do edit, and I can change the name. Yeah, and that way you can go quickly to anything that you like. So when you go next time to the role play scheduler, you can bookmark it, and then that way it's really quick and easy to find again. You don't have to go into the course and then find the link and then click the link.
Oh, my goodness. I'll have so much spare time eventually.
That's right, because, well, you know, people say, oh, Joanne, how do you do so much? It's all because of my bookmarks.